Especially when it's hot outside, they can sweat off that extra energy.
Yes, absolutely. Today, going to be hot. Over the next couple of days, we're looking at plenty of heat as well. We are going to be tracking a few changes tomorrow, though. A couple of isolated showers in the forecast as we get our sea breeze developing. And then on Wednesday, we're dry, we're hot and humid, but we will also be tracking some Saharan dust. Let's at least start with tomorrow's forecast because we have some showers back in the forecast. Now, if you do have any sort of beach plans tomorrow, I don't think it's going to be a complete washout. We may get 1 or 2 showers earlier on in the morning, but as our sea breeze develops by late morning, early afternoon, a lot of that shower activity begins to push inland. A lot of it clears by about 7 to 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. And then on Wednesday, 1 or 2 stray showers, but rain really not a large concern for Wednesday as we get some Saharan dust moving into the region. Starting off this morning with radar, we are dry, not tracking any rain at the moment. There are a couple of showers popping up out in the Gulf, maybe 1 or 2 of those drifting up to our coastal locations, but really that's about it in terms of rainfall. We're not expecting a lot today. We're just going to have mostly sunny conditions as our temperatures slowly warm. Today will be at about 94 degrees this afternoon here in Corpus Christi. Most of us today will be between 94 and 97 degrees and our coastline into the upper 80s and low 90s. And our winds will slowly pick up, sustained out of the southeast at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So it is going to be a hot day today. We don't have a lot of that wind to try to help to cool us down. Plus, we still have a lot of humidity. So when you factor in that heat and the humidity, it's going to feel a lot more like 106 this afternoon in Ingleside, 103 in Sinton, 100 in Hebron, 99 in Freer, 103 in George West, and 102 in Kingsville. Now tomorrow, because we'll get that sea breeze developing, our coastline will be a little bit cooler, middle and upper 80s. Inland spots, though, still hot with highs reaching the low and mid 90s, anywhere from about 92 to about 95 degrees. And again, we'll start off the day with dry conditions, partly cloudy conditions. Late morning will develop 1 or 2 isolated showers, or even throughout the morning hours, 1 or 2 showers along our coastline. That begins to stretch inland as our sea breeze develops around 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, slowly pushing in. And then by about 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, things are nice and dry. At the moment, we're not tracking any Saharan dust here in South Texas. There's a big batch working through the Atlantic right now and another batch working through the Caribbean. That batch that's working through the Caribbean is going to lift into our area early Wednesday morning and continue throughout Wednesday afternoon into early Thursday morning. By Friday, things should gradually start to clear out. That second batch that's working through the Atlantic right now, that will arrive next week. So Wednesday, Thursday, we'll have a little bit of that Saharan dust that should clear by the end of the work week into the weekend, but we'll get another batch moving through next week and a few isolated showers starting Thursday through Sunday.